Your Instagram just got hacked? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get it back, step by step. Whether the hacker changed your password, your email, or even logged you out completely, by the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to recover your account and lock hackers out for good. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Gotti O'Keen, and here we talk about online security and how to protect your digital life. If your Instagram has been hacked, or you want to be prepared just in case, stick around, because I'll break this down into simple steps that actually work. Let's get started. First, go to the Instagram login page and try signing in with your username and your last known password. Sometimes hackers don't change your password immediately. If you can still log in, go straight to your account settings, change your password to something strong, and enable two-factor authentication. If you're locked out, don't worry. Move to the next step. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password. Enter your Instagram username, email, or phone number. Instagram will send you a link to reset your password. Always use the email or phone number you originally registered with. If you get the link and successfully reset your password, you're back in. But if the hacker has changed your recovery info, let's keep going. If the recovery email or phone number isn't yours anymore, tap Need More Help. Instagram will guide you through identity verification. Depending on your account, they may ask you to enter your original sign-up email, confirm your phone number, or even record a short selfie video to prove you're the real owner. Yes, it takes a bit longer, but this is Instagram's official way of verifying you. If your email was recently changed, Instagram will send a message to your original email address. That email will say, "Your email was changed." It includes a revert this change link. Click that link as soon as possible. It's one of the fastest ways to take your account back before the hacker fully locks you out. If none of those steps worked, go to Instagram's Help Center at help.instagram.com and look for My Account Was Hacked. You'll see an option to report account hacking. Instagram will ask for proof of identity, like the email you registered with, phone number, or sometimes even a government-issued ID if it's a serious case. It's not instant, but it works. Once you regain access, don't stop there. You need to secure your account so it doesn't happen again. Change your password to something unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, inside Instagram's security settings. Revoke access to any suspicious third-party apps. Check your login activity to see where your account has been accessed from. A quick warning. Never share your Instagram login with anyone who DMs or emails you claiming to be Instagram support. Instagram will never ask for your password. Also, avoid logging in through suspicious links. Only use the official app or Instagram.com. And that's it. If your Instagram was hacked, now you know exactly how to get it back and secure it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple guides on keeping your online accounts safe. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.